Mai am vizitat un palat.
Și că e hotel, nu știu, eu m-am simțit ca într-un muzeu.
Cu super mult pasiune cum l-au decorat.
It was built in 1927. The Haveli is probably 100 years old. This was the last built among all the other Havelis. So you'll find it ancient yet modern. It's a very eclectic mixture. 30 years ago, Mr. Sunil Rampuria, my father, he converted this Haveli into a hotel. He was a passionate architect, although he studied commerce in his college, but he was very fond towards art, architecture, paintings and everything. He used to come here with his parents for summer vacations once a year. Why don't I open this Haveli for other people to come see and experience the beauty that is inside? So a lot of construction took place. The rooms were not as it was then. They were just big storage rooms. We start with the construction of washrooms in every room. We have to take care that the building is made entirely of stone. We cannot hammer anything onto it. The place is very delicate. We have 2 drawing rooms. This is the blue drawing room. The major color scheme used here is blue and then comes golden. Now if you focus a lot on the golden part, the golden motifs, it is actually called usta art. So that has 2 to 3 steps in making the art. This also includes a slight percentage of gold foil used. There were 4 brothers who started their studio here, guided by my father. This has also been made by usta art, and if you touch it, you'll see slight emboss.
Ah, yes.
So that is one of the most important features of
And so many details over here in this room. I mean, nothing is a coincidence. Everything is really detailed and really beautiful.
it's quite peaceful here.
Exactly, yeah.
For me, it was like an awe moment, like, wow.
Since this being in Rajasthan, from the months of April, May, June, although in earlier years the rate of sandstorm and the intensity was much higher. It subsided in the coming years, but earlier if the house would be closed for 2 days, there would be at least an inch of dust on the tables, on things, on the floor, and it would require 3 times minimum cleaning by the staff members. At least make it look presentable, make it look clean but clean. But for 4 to 5 times constant cleaning had to be.
They would use a shovel. Nothing is left out of the chance, because you were pointing out about the cloud, and only now I'm seeing not only the cloud, but there are also little paintings on the side, and that's impressive. I mean, sometimes this is what makes
the difference, yeah, and the details.
This is what we call the little drawing room. Has the collection of a few of my grandfather and great-grandfather's book collection, storybooks, economic books, encyclopedias.
The blue drawing room is like grander and inviting you to come.
It invites people.
Yeah, and here is cozy and hidden a little bit.
this is for you.
Yeah, for reading. I love reading, yeah.
These were not India originated.
Yeah.
But as my father started making the hotel, he was at that particular moment very, very, very inclined towards the European culture. He still is. But now he's seeing that I am showing Europeans what they see best in their countries. They
come here?
to see what's best here, what is the root art of here. The styles that you see here, the way they've been placed to create a motif on the ground, it's called tukri vocal inside, within a circle, steel one. The tile pieces were placed that way. So it's a very long process.
Yeah.
Mergem acum în grădină.
We've been serving from the start, we've been serving 100% vegetarian food. From the beginning, all the guests coming from France, from Italy, from Germany, they've all had the food. They've all had vegetarian food, and they still found it very comforting, like home food.
Also for us, I mean, I was used to eat every day meat. We eat a lot of meat, and especially pork, which is fat meat. We came into India, and the culinary is so good that
You don't feel the need.
I don't feel.
Yeah, it's very tasty, everything, and you can have like from vegetables you can do very good food.
Different spices going along with different vegetables, different things, making your palate taste a lot of different flavors. It took about almost 2 years to complete the project, and Hotel Bhavanivas opened its doors. These two originally
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi. I'm Mirchi.
I'm Sunil.
We are really appreciating, I will not say hotel, I will say your museum, because it's really beautiful. I would say it's a museum in which you can sleep and eat.
I love the house myself. You just owe it to your ancestors. I still think it's my grandfather's home, not mine. I'm here just to look after it.
20 minutes now, I'm still like in a awe moment because the details, there are so many details and it's amazing what you've done.
Thank you.
It's really beautiful.
Nothing pleases me more than to see my guests happy. Yeah.
I feel like I should take my shoes off because it's so clean here.
And this is the original stairs.
Wow.
Her father did most of the art from the walls,
Wow.
paintings.
That's even more impressive. I mean, even though it has an European touch, it's really beautiful. Has golden foil.
Yes.
Dar au pus super mult pasiune cum l-au decorat.
Ce înseamnă ca patronul să fie pictor sau să aibă
Ochiul ăsta format de designer era și pasionat de arhitectură și atunci altfel lucrurile.
Pe mine m-a fascinat până că în sala de mese zicea că el a pictat acolo.
Asta înseamnă că i-a fost foarte dedicat și i-a păsat să iasă bine, adică n-a făcut totul așa, doar să aibă un hotel. Și să aibă hotelul lui și să pună suflet și să fie cum îi place lui.
Și s-a văzut asta. Superb, superb.
Da, merită văzut și stat aici și n-a știut de el că așa și stat și noi o noapte măcar. Nu e atât de scump.
Prețul este la $100 pe noapte.
Cum arată,
Da, stai în palat. Stai o noapte și nu.
măcar să simți așa, cum e să fii tratat regește.
Maharagește.
Maharagește, da.